Part 2. The nature of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is often used interchangeably with machine learning and deep learning. With machine learning, algorithms are trained to identify relationships, develop predictive models, and make decisions. The better the training data, the better the algorithm. One example is image classification. Here, machine learning involves manually selecting the relevant features of an image, such as the edges and corners of objects, and using this information to create a model to identify those objects. In some cases, users of websites, social media, and other platforms train algorithms by interacting online, buying various items, viewing content, and posting and liking content. Point 2. Deep learning also uses training data to find patterns used to make predictions about new data, though in this case features are not extracted by humans. Rather, data are fed directly into the deep learning algorithm, which then predicts the occurrence of objects. Deep learning algorithms do this via multiple layers of artificial neural networks that mimic biological brains. Output data of one layer is input data for the next layer, and so forth. Deep learning architecture is used in speech recognition, natural language processing, and computer vision. Point 3. Finally, reinforcement learning focuses on improving the performance of an algorithm over multiple engagements with a problem, adjusting actions based on continuous feedback from past actions. While deep learning and reinforcement learning are not mutually exclusive, what is most significant about reinforcement learning is the possible elimination of training data. It unshackles AI from human limitations. We will describe this in greater detail later in this essay when we review an algorithm called AlphaZero. The terms general AI, AGI, and superintelligence are often used interchangeably. AGI refers to an algorithm or set of algorithms that are, minimally, as capable as a typical human across multiple problem domains. Importantly, as of this writing, AGI does not exist. Yet several organizations are making rapid advances in expanding the adaptability of algorithms to multiple problem domains. Point 4. Google's DeepMind and Google Brain, along with initiatives at other major tech companies, are pushing AI toward superintelligence. Greg Brockman, co-founder and chief technology officer at the company OpenAI, recently noted that after 50 or more years of research, AGI now seems likely in the near term. The central point of our essay is to help us to think about the implications of AGI for humans. After a brief review of some of the effects that machine and deep learning have had on current human rights practices, we return to a discussion of AGI.